let's get you guys in a little closer here so you can see what's going on. So we have 0 compression, 92 compression, 60, was that 66? And I can't remember what the compression on this one is. It looks like 80 psi. But that's the reason we have 0 compression on this one, is it's melted right there at the bottom. Yeah, 0 compression. This one has 92, so this one's not so bad. And then this one's 66. Can't really see anything really wrong with this one. And then this one's 80, I think. I don't remember. They're all low, but that's what happened to my old engine. Also, if you haven't seen this vehicle in any of my videos, it's because I probably haven't shown it in any of my videos. This is a 2005 Audi A4 Quattro Avant. This I got for $200. The guy broke down outside of town. I told him he needed a new engine, which he does. Well, he did, and then he sold me the car for 200 bucks. So I bought it. The only damage on it is a scratch right here and a tiny bit of damage on the bumper, which I'll have to show you in another video. Other than that, it's a really clean car. The inside, super clean. WeatherTech mats, leather seats, a little dirty, a little dusty. It's been sitting for about a year. But this is kind of what I've been working on, kind of what I've been saving for over the last year. I've been working on getting this engine. This is from a 2006 Audi A4, similar vehicle, slight differences, timing cover's different, a few different plugs, but this is what I've been working for to get going. I am just about done getting this back together. There's a few more things I have to plug in, AC, compressor, alternator, stuff like that. All that's going to go on. Intercoolers have to go on, and the turbocharger is right here. But when I got this, this was bent, which cracked the timing cover, so I had to repair that. And it's got a small little crack right here still. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. There's still a lot to do on this project. I'm trying to get it done just so I can drive the vehicle. But the reason that the engine overheated and melted was the coolant reservoir. This is a new one. But the coolant reservoir had a little hole in it. It was leaking coolant, and the guy's like, well, I just kept adding coolant to it. And then I forgot to add coolant to it. And I said, well, that's probably why your engine melted. So there's the old engine. There's the new engine. That's what I've been working on pretty much the last 2 months. I'm going to keep going on this. Hopefully I can get this thing started and maybe use it as a daily driver.